exact same thing.
Only 10 of y'all niggas gonna make it.
Hold on, what'd you say? What'd you say?
Only 10 of y'all niggas gonna make it. Only 10.
Hold on, say
-5.
minus 2.
Oh, it's only 8?
Really, it might just be one person if y'all don't do good enough. If y'all don't bring it, it only might be one person.
About 100 some odd people you know gonna come out during them days that we is doing it. So to prevent that, Bridge, what's next?
So, top 10 last year. Y'all don't make it this year. You know they gonna think y'all suck, right?
How you niggas gonna fall off? Y'all ain't even on yet. How could you not make the Cyber 2? It should be the same 10 people. I hate to say it like that, but if you don't make it this year, I'm sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You cannot, Wale just came out with a new album. You cannot use anything of his.
Or J. Cole.
J. Cole, Lil Wayne,
Quiz those
nobody.
rappers. What do y'all do with y'all spare time?
will
Y'all
be
touring? We y'all drop mixtape, nigga. What y'all doing?
I ain't got that many.
Bring y'all mixtape. Matter of fact, bring your mixtape to the site. Bring your mixtape. Bring your new mixtape to the site. Bring the one you put out last year. Oh, complaints. If you don't make it this year, we gonna show you why you didn't. We're not gonna tell you why you didn't make it like last year. We tried to explain to you niggas. We just gonna put your video on YouTube. Let it circulate. We gonna show the world why you didn't make it. I'm gonna drop Coop at the I guess I got my swagger back. Get the camera, man. Let's hit that circumference. See that radius, nigga? Y'all don't know about that. Kindly educated.